Formal greetings used in professional settings with strangers, elders, or authority figures. Common formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. How do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. How have you been? I hope you're doing well. How are you today? Formal responses. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you for asking. Very well, thank you. Informal greetings used with friends, family, classmates, or people your own age. Common informal greetings. Hi. Hey. Hello. What's up? How's it going? How are you doing? Long time no see. Nice to see you. What's new? How have you been? Informal responses. I'm good. I'm great. Pretty good, thanks. Not bad. Same old, same old. Doing okay. You? How about you? Formal farewells used in professional settings with strangers, elders, or authority figures. Common formal farewells. Goodbye. Farewell. Have a good day. Have a nice evening. Take care. It was nice meeting you. It was a pleasure seeing or meeting you. I look forward to seeing you again. Best regards. Until we meet again. Formal responses. Thank you. Goodbye. You too. I look forward to our next meeting. Informal farewells used with friends, family, classmates, or people your own age. Common informal farewells. Bye. See you later. See ya. Catch you later. Take care. Talk to you soon. Later. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Peace. Informal responses. Bye. See you. You too. Later.